Hear that? Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. That sound, it's almost like as giving away a, is that a thing? Giving away a ball? As little jingly bells, isn't it? We all know what that means, but we all know what that means. And what this means, it means yarn. Well, it was Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and there were some deals that I couldn't resist, even though I am going to be starting my own yarn company and having my own sort of links to wholesalers. This, though, is not a company that I can link to. They have their own yarn, and they obviously negotiated with people perhaps in Turkey or wherever, and they have their own yarn band. So I had to order from them because the yarn that I really love was reduced, and therefore I needed to get some. Now I have a fair bit of this already, but I thought it would be silly to pass up the opportunity to get more. Plus I ordered more colours and another yarn that I'm quite excited to get. Now I've got a little free gift in here, I think, for all the patterns that are too good to forget. I don't believe I ordered that, but we'll see. I was pretty tired. It was late at night. You know what that means. Sleep ordering. You just stick it in your basket, don't you? But I don't remember ordering that. Doesn't mean I didn't. However. So let's just dive right in and look at this. Oh, I love this Metallica. Not Metallico. Metallico. I do love Metallica. They are one of my biggest passions, but this is Metallic O, not Metallic A. 70% polyamide, 20% acrylic, and 10% merino. It is absolutely gorgeous, and this is called Colour 5. Well, that's imaginative, isn't it? Has it got a name? No, Colour 5. I'm sure it probably has a name on the site, but not on the band. But isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. It is so good. I don't know how many I ordered of each. At first, it was a lot. And then I saw how much my order was. So I turfed out lots. So I think I've got a couple of each. So this is the other one. It is lovely. Now, they do this at Ice Yarn. They do something very similar. They do two types. They do Rockstar, which is very similar to this, and they do Universe. Is it Universe? I want to call it Universe. Cat's in the litter tray again. Her timing's impeccable, it really is. So yeah, now that one is all different colours and variegated, whereas the Rockstar is a single colour and has this kind of metallic sort of vibe. Now this is thinner. This is DK weight, and it does seem ultra thin for a DK, but because it's got a furry fluffy vibe, it probably does work up just like a DK would. So then this one's very similar, but it's more of a steely blue vibe going on. This one feels fatter. It looks fatter as well, doesn't it? It looks massive compared to that one, and yet they're meant to be the same size, and that's strange. But you can see a clear difference. As soon as I picked it up, I knew this one was bigger. And the interesting thing is, nothing to do with this particular order, but some time ago, I think it was when I started Vida, the very first thing that I did blog wise, I bought some yarn from Poundland, and some of the balls seemed very thin, and one of them was really fat. So I did a thing where I got the scales out and I weighed each ball, and it turns out that they were all 50-gram balls, but the big fat one was 70 something grams. And rather than being shortchanged on the others, they were all over by a slight margin, except for 2 balls that were under. But overall, I was winning quite well with that. So I know there's a bit of a difference in like a tolerance, but still, that's kind of huge compared to the other one. And this is called Colour 17. Again, really, really imaginatively titled. And the same stuff, 70% polyester, acrylic, and wool. Where are we? The other one said merino, didn't it? This one says wool. So 70% polyester. Goodness, this is hard to see. 10% acrylic, 10% wool, 50 grams. What does this one say? Maybe I was slightly wrong. Oh, it's upside down. Of course it is. Wouldn't be me if it wasn't. No, it does say wool. It was me. But again, 50 grams. So definitely something is amiss on one of those balls. Hopefully it's the big fat ball. Well, if I did get 2 of those, I can't see it. I decided to get black, although it is shiny, but it's not as obviously metallic-y shiny as the other ones. And this is colour 12 in black. I hope there's a bill in here that's going to explain the prices, but it was £2 something per ball. Now, I did have some of this before. This is exactly the same colour as the Rockstar that I've used before. Obviously the Rockstar is a lot fatter because I think it's a 4-weight yarn, or if it is a DK, it is a very fat DK. This is colour 3. I really, really like this one. It's very gold. They will look stunning together because there's gold in this one. Look at those together. That would be brilliant. And then incorporating that with black. Just made for each other. Made for each other. Now, this one got lots of real dark coppery brown in there. Fabulous. Absolutely gorgeous. Same 50 gram ball. Same makeup. This is colour 13. Isn't that just gorgeous? Again, that everything seems to go together so well. Just beautiful. More black. I've got a feeling I did have actually lots of black in my box, but I might have took some out. Another one of those that we've already seen. Now this colour's gorgeous. There is more than 2 of these because I had to have more. It's stunning. Look at that. This one doesn't have the blackness, like the two-tone dark and light, does it? It's just, wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? I love this stuff. I really do. And this is colour, is that a 5 or 15? 15. There was a crease by the 1. It's hard to see if it was a 1, but look at that. I love it so much. Look at 1, 2, 3 of those. I love these, but I love the donuts, but at the same time they're annoying because they're really hard to put on the shelf. So at the moment I've got all of my Metallico in a big, well, it's a mesh laundry basket that I've never used for laundry. It's just like a dump bin, if you like, and I've poured the whole lot in. I've got more to go in there now. Now look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? So the other one, just to refresh your memory, was darker, but this is more of a pearl, more of a pearly colour. Beautiful, so beautiful. And this is colour number 2, and there are 2 of those. Reminds me of my hair, that, you know, what it used to. Probably the ends, not the top bit. Oh, this is the other one of those. So do we have 2 of those ones? There's more, and there's more. Wow. Oh, just beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous and stunning? 2 of them. Look at that. You can see why even though I said I'm not buying yarn because I'm going to be stocking yarn, you can see why I got this, can't you? Now this is colour 9. Oh wow, I love that one. That is stunning. Will it go with this one? It's the same. Where is it? Where's the blue one come? I don't think it will. No. Pick the same one up. Honestly, can't get a star. It's not the same, is it? The green. More of a green going on than the blue. When you first glance at that, it looked the same, but obviously it's not. It's green. It's just so beautiful. I can't believe that they had these on offer. and they were only £2 something. I can't remember the £2.25 I want to say, not sure. That's pounds obviously. This is colour 10. Oh, wow, I just don't know what to do with it all. This one's beautiful. Did I get 2? Yep. Look at this one. Ready? Are you ready for this? Look at that. Oh, it is just stunning. Wow, that's beautiful. So put that one together with that, because there's that silky kind of gold running through it. Oh wow, love it so much. If I could have gone to town and ordered lots and lots more. I'm glad I held back, but I know I'm going to think, wish I got more of that. This is colour 18, 1/8, and the smell from the other room, from my little dirty bomb, is now starting to waft through. Oh, another green one, but different. Look at this one. Wow, that, isn't it just gorgeous? This one's more of a vivid green. Whoa, more of a sagey kind of. Nice, nice, nice. This is colour 11. Wow, I love it. I love it. Now, what else we got? Because I think this is the other brown that I had earlier. Now we're getting on to some different things. There's another black one. Is it black? I think it is. No, it's got that copper vibe. Is this one different? It's going to fall off my lap now. Let me put it down there for a second because I'm struggling. Colour 13. Not sure if I showed you this one already, or if it's just similar and you know, it is slightly different, but that's colour 13. No, there is one more. We've got another one of these. I showed you that at the beginning. I couldn't really, and this one, another one of these. Got 4 of those altogether. Okay, I'm going to have to go sort out that litter tray. The sweeties you normally get, and some free stitch markers. Got lots of stitch markers, but you can never find them when you want them, so that's not a bad thing. And what's this? This is called Go Handmade Twist. Use that, Trace. A lightweight, soft, warm yarn with wool-like feeling. It's very, very soft, and it's kind of looks like homespun. Got that. If it was really, really chunky, I'd say it's very similar to my poodle yarn. So what we got? 100% acrylic. It's 50 grams, which is 90 meters, and therefore it doesn't really tell you what weight it is on this yarn band. But I would say this is going to make up, because of the crinkly vibe. If I get a strand, there we are. It's probably a DK, but it will be on the larger side. See, I've cut my nails, everyone. I nearly needed to. Did I have a colour? Did we get a colour? Grey. Dark grey. Right, what else we got? Light grey. So yeah, all the same. This one's just called grey. The number is 17925 on that. And this one is upside down, of course. It wouldn't be me, would it, if it wasn't? 17926. So those are the light grey, or the grey and the dark grey. And there's more. Black. Same stuff, but black. Obviously I had something in mind when I ordered this. So this is black, and it's 17927, because I thought together I would make something. And then, oh hang on, another dark grey. Any more? I ordered a bill, which nearly fell in my tea. And then I got a pair of scissors. Now these are a lot bigger than I imagined. Much bigger than I imagined. You know, my scissors are quite small, the ones that are like this, but they've got that rainbow, like oil slick rainbow. But these are huge compared to those. Well, hopefully that means I won't lose them quite so often. but I got those. I'll keep those ones in here. Maybe. We'll see. And then I've ordered in the past quite a lot of Malaga. And I don't know why I only got 2 of them, but I did. And I got these. I love this Malaga yarn. It is just beautiful. So we put that one there for now. At least it's not rustling anymore. And this is World of Yarn. 100% acrylic. 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 165 meters or 180 yards. And this is called colour 10, which is a lot number of 634976. That's all we got. So it's called Malaga print, and it is absolutely beautiful yarn. I love it. I've got lots of Malaga. I've got a few colour packs and lots. I've got that really beautiful rainbow colour pack, and I did have a lovely lavender. I was going to make a blanket out of that. All the different colour purples. So this one, the arm went off. Again, the same dimensions, 165 meters, 180 yards, 100% acrylic and 100 grams. And this is colour 10 or 634976. And that is all of the yarn, but those are just beautiful. Really love these. Isn't it gorgeous? So put that there. Let's turn my light off again. Have a look at the bill and see what's on here. See if they put the prices on for a start. I know all of them do. Itchy nose. Okay. They don't, sadly. No. No prices there at all. Nothing. So really, that's not very helpful as a docket, is it? As a delivery note. Not the most, no, just says 1 unit, 2 units, all that sort of stuff. So there we go. That's my order. But I know that this had been reduced, and the reason I knew this was reduced to £2, I want to say £2.20-ish per ball, was because one of my subscribers told me that it was on Black Friday and it had been reduced, and so they knew I loved it. So I kind of thought, I'll have to go visit and see. But I wasn't really planning on doing other companies' yarn orders for obvious reasons. Got way too much of theirs already, and I need to start ordering stuff for my shop. But that's couldn't really resist. It's just stunning, gorgeous, and you know, every colour is like a jewel. Every colour is like shiny, gotta have it, you know. It's like irresistible. So what do you think? What do you think I should make with my jewels? I mean, I could make something and call it jewels, or have jewel in the title. But I have a lot of this yarn. I also have quantity in certain colours that I already have. But I've got enough to make something pretty snazzy. But what do you think I should make? So let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. And forgive me, for I have sinned. I am a yarn addict. Bye for now, everyone.